This year, we continue to advance our vision on intelligent, safe, and resilient mobility. Moving into 2026, we celebrate ERTICO's 35th anniversary and continue to progress with strong commitment to our values. We welcomed 12 new members to the partnership to strengthen our joint mission. We met with many partners to discuss their latest innovations and new solutions. Our activities also continued with 5 interview episodes and launched a new video series featuring 11 partners. We organized dedicated webinars on the partnership benefits and smart mobility in seamless cities. We delivered thought leadership insights, including new podcast episodes on artificial intelligence, and completed the ITS Market Radar Report series. Our focus on event was a true success alongside the cross-sector meetings, introducing a new thematic working group. We organized our annual partnership forum alongside the 31st General Assembly. Our strategic cooperations also evolved to strengthen expertise. And we continued close cooperation with European institutions and many other organizations. Our team of experts participated in many panel discussions and thematic sessions across Europe and beyond. Since last year, 12 flagship projects concluded their work. We introduced 10 new projects advancing research, innovation, and deployment. Many activities and updates accelerated across our portfolio of projects and platforms. Together with ITS America and ITS Asia Pacific, we co-organized the ITS World Congress in Atlanta in 2025. The joint UK ERTICO European Pavilion promoted the 2027 World Congress, and our team presented their expertise across the program. This year, we organized the successful edition of the 17th ITS European Congress in Istanbul. Our joint pavilion proved the strength of collaboration with more than 24 projects and platforms presenting and 8 co-exhibiting ITS National Associations members. Join us in Birmingham next year at the 33rd ITS World Congress to connect ideas and transform transport together. As we mark ERTICO's 35th anniversary, we reflect on our legacy, evolution, and progress in ITS, and looking forward to continue our journey with an even stronger focus to shape the future of mobility, together with our partners.